Hi, my name is Rachel Turry, and the work I will be talking about today is a painting done in 1886 called Sunday Afternoon on the Island of La Grande Jatte by artist George Seurat. Seurat was influenced by the pioneer color theorist of his time and pointillism technique, and used oil paint to place tiny dots of complementary colors side by side and sometimes one inside the other to give the impression of solid form and intensifying the colors. What's really fascinating to me about this painting, how the painting, which is huge, about 7 feet by 10 feet, looks blended from a distance, but I bet up close you can see the magnitude of dots as there are millions of them. The planning stage for this painting involved 28 panels and drawings, as well as 3 larger canvases, until he came to his final plan of the layout that composes of 3 dogs, 8 boats, 48 people, and 1 ring-tailed monkey, which was a popular pet during that time in Paris. Seurat did his studies outdoors and in plein air, then created his final work in his studio using artificial light. The painting is set at La Grande Jatte, a public park along the banks of River Seine, which Seurat often painted scenery found just outside the French capital. Here there's many different social classes from the groups of people painted, and they are shown relaxed at the park, while some doing leisure activities such as swimming, fishing, dancing, boating, and even playing instruments. Though the subjects of a Sunday afternoon on an island of La Grande Jatte are rendered in an unrealistic and almost minimalistic style, Seurat placed them in a range of different positions that adds a sense of realism and helps draw the viewer into the receding scenery. Another trick Seurat used was his restretching of the canvas to add a pointillist border, which composes of red, orange, and blue dots, which are almost the primary colors that provide a visual transition between the border and the interior of the painting. While this painting had many mixed reviews, it remains Seurat's most well-known work of art until and after his death in 1891, where he died at the age of 32. The painting remained in the possession of Seurat's family, and then in 1925 it found a permanent home of the Art Institute of Chicago, where it is arguably the most celebrated work of pointillism in the world. Thank you so much for your time.